Hi, I'm James Southall. I'm the music director of the David Seligman Opera School here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. I'm a professional pianist, conductor and repetiteur, and prior to coming to college, I was at Welsh National Opera for 15 years. As a member of the David Seligman Opera School, you'll have the opportunity to work as part of a small opera company. We produce fully staged productions, opera scenes projects which include contemporary repertoire, and an opera gala. The Opera Gala is a real highlight of the year, and for this we are joined by the orchestra of Welsh National Opera. To have an opportunity to perform a gala programme with an orchestra of this calibre is a really important part of your year here at RWCMD, and something that strongly sets our offer apart.
I've had some fantastic opportunities. Our spring opera, which was a double bill of Gianni Schicchi and La Bella Dormente nel Bosco by Respighi. The set design was incredible, and getting to work with professionals like Carlo Rizzi and Caroline Clegg was amazing. And then getting to do the same in summer on A Midsummer Night's Dream, which is one of my favourite plays. So getting to sing Titania was a dream role.
Our course has been designed to be a bridge into the profession. We treat you as young professionals, and we expect industry-level preparation and commitment from you. We are looking for singers with a voice of operatic potential who are curious, self-motivated, and open. The experiences and opportunities built into the course will teach you about the demands and the joys of being an opera performer. The training will equip you with the knowledge and strategies for the start of your career and encourage you to be an independent learner. You will also have the opportunity to study a core role and to prepare an audition package, which is essential to getting started in the profession. The learning environment at the college is both supportive and challenging, and a one-to-one personal approach underpins everything that we do. There are regular catch-up sessions on everything from repertoire to first career steps, and of course, your designated one-to-one teacher and vocal coach are there to support you and to offer guidance. We have good relations with many conductors and directors who visit frequently, all of whom regularly work for world-class opera companies. We also have a fantastic team of singing teachers and vocal coaches, and they have all had excellent careers or continue to perform on the operatic stage. What unites them is their commitment to sharing their considerable expertise with our students. You'll have many opportunities to perform here. In addition to all the big performance projects, there are regular performance classes with visiting guest professors and several of the college's teaching staff. We also have strong relations with several festival opera companies, Glyndebourne, Opera Rara, Grange Park and Opera Holland Park, and many of our students have gone on to perform with them upon graduating. The college also runs a Hire a Performer scheme, and our students perform in paid concerts in and around the UK. This is a great way to build your confidence and gain experience.
Everyone is so encouraging of you. The one-to-one tutors are amazing, incredibly supportive, and it's a really intimate department. You're working with the heads of department regularly.
Our graduates have gone on to a variety of creative careers, including young artists programmes such as the Yetta Parker and the National Opera Studio. They are also working as chorus members or as principals in opera houses around the world. For example, the New York Met, the Royal Opera House, Irish National Opera, Scottish Opera, and, of course, our own home company, Welsh National Opera. Some of our graduates decide on a different career path and go into learning and engagement and supporting the next generation of opera singers to pursue their career in the arts. Cardiff is an incredible place to study and a great place to start your career. We're situated right in the centre of Bute Park, which is a haven of tranquility all year round.
It's a really friendly and safe place to be, and so easy to travel out of as well, to all of the national parks and the beaches. There's beautiful countryside and history in Wales, all of the castles. So yeah, it's one of my favourite places to be.
If you're looking for an experience of being part of a small opera company whilst honing your musical and dramatic skills in a friendly and stimulating environment, then this is the place for you. I look forward to welcoming you to Cardiff.